Hey guys, and welcome back to Knowledge Hub GPT. Today, we are going to break down all the new updates to ChatGPT-40. Let's get started. First, let's talk about multimodal capabilities. GPT-40 integrates text, vision, and audio capabilities, significantly enhancing its ability to understand and respond to complex multimodal inputs. This means users can now interact with the model using text, images, and even voice in more intuitive ways. For example, you can take a picture of a menu in a foreign language, and GPT-40 will not only translate it, but also provide recommendations based on your preferences and dietary restrictions, as well as background information about the dishes, such as their origins and cultural significance. Next up, improved speed and efficiency. GPT-40 is designed to be faster and more efficient, providing quicker responses without compromising on the quality of interactions. This includes better handling of complex queries and more efficient processing of data. The third update is enhanced language support. The model now supports over 50 languages, making it more accessible to a global audience. This includes improvements in token efficiency as well across several languages, reducing the number of tokens required for effective communication. And fourth is advanced tools for free users. GPT-40 brings advanced features to ChatGPT free users, such as the ability to analyze data, create charts, upload files for summarization, and engage in conversations about photos taken by users. However, there are usage limits for free users, and once these are reached, the service defaults to the ChatGPT 3.5. Their fifth update is voice mode and real-time interactions. A voice mode is set to be launched, allowing for more natural, real-time voice conversations. Future updates will include the ability to converse with ChatGPT via real-time video, enabling interactions such as explaining live sports games. Describing key plays, providing background information on the teams and players as the game unfolds. And lastly, their desktop app launch. A new ChatGPT desktop app for macOS has been introduced, which includes features like instant access via keyboard shortcut and the ability to take and discuss screenshots directly from the app. And a Windows version is planned for later this year as well. For example, you can take a screenshot of your code and discuss the issue directly with the app. And if typing is cumbersome, you can always switch to a voice conversation to explain the problem in detail. We hope you found this video helpful in choosing an AI model that best suits your needs. Before you go, please hit the like button and share and subscribe, and we will see you again soon. Until next time.